Welcome back. In our last video, we went over some KNX system devices. Today we want to take a closer look at this additional feature. Did you find the hint in the exported project from last time? No? Okay, let us check together. We are in the first tab in the topology panel. You see here we have a TP switching actuator on line 1.1 that is KNX secure capable. For demonstration purposes, I am going to deactivate the secure commissioning for this switching actuator. And in a previous video, we added this secure RF push button to this RF segment. Here is our KNX Segment Coupler with the additional trick up its sleeve. Let us look at the switching actuator and the push button together. One is now secure in the RF segment, the other is plain in the TP line 1.1. But what happens when we link the devices with groups? Let's give it a try. This can be done quickly like this. Two groups were created with the mixed security shield. We can see the objects on the push button are secured. How is that possible? Who is translating these secure groups in the segment to plain groups on the line 1.1? Remember the segment coupler? That is the additional hidden feature. It allows us to extend a plain installation with secure devices. ETS 6 takes care of the security settings, all automatic. We can review which groups are translated, looking at the filter tables. These two groups are secure in the segment, but plain outside the segment. That's it for today. You can always find the link to the exported project in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for upcoming videos.